Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are in the province of Ubon and we are at a random market. Now we're actually at a place called Suni Market. It's in the middle, kind of in the middle of the town here. There's a lot of random stuff always in the market, but we're here for dinner. So we're gonna get some market food for dinner. It's gonna bring you guys along. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go see what's in the market. Hipster steak. I smell somtam. Somtam. Home. Somtam. Somtam Isan. Okay. Is that like a self-serve?
No, yum.
Oh. There's so much awesome smelling food here. Something on a stick. Something on a stick is always good in Thailand. Fruit. Hello. The vegetarian section. Oh, this looks pretty good. This is Japanese. Ahan Nippon. I thought I smelled chicken. Gai Tot. In Thailand, you never go wrong with chicken, with fried chicken. So what do you cup? Big guy, my al kha. Big guy. You can get maybe 4. See on. Oh, okay. That looks interesting. And always some squid. Some fresh orange juice. Salad, and there is some over there. Okay.เป็นตาแซ่บ
เป็นคอมันปันย่างจ้ะไม่ใช่สันคอนะคะ
ชิสกะบาบ สวัสดีครับ You can eat and have your car work done at the same time. Whenever we get some better weather, I'm going to show you guys how to make that stuff. Kauji. You want kauji? Okay. อันเดียวนี่คืออะไรนี่หมูปิ้งใส่กรอกอีสานใช่ไส้กรอกอีสานอร่อย I don't know what that is. What is that? Oh, guai tod. Wow. หมูทอดกับแก้มกับแก้ม One of Paige's favorite with beer.
ได้ไหม
ขอบคุณครับ
เอาอะไรแดง
กะติไก่เอานี่
สั่งไหมคะเป็น
some salad for digestion
ซีฟู้ดจะสีเค็ม
ขอบคุณนะครับ Now this is a Thai dessert. It's really good. The Japanese style, huh? Okay. ขนมญี่ปุ่น Yes, okay, very good.
ขนมญี่ปุ่นได้ติด
ขนมญี่ปุ่น
นี่มันม่วง
มักม่วน blueberry. I like blueberry.
เผือก
I don't want that. I don't want that. ไม่เอา
ไข่เค็ม
ไข่เค็มไม่เอา ไม่แซ่บ This is ไข่เต้ย
โน่ชาเขียว
ชาเขียว Okay. Maybe a couple of these. Something on a stick. นี่คืออะไรครับหมู
เนื้อค่ะ
เนื้อ
หมู
โอเค เอาทุกอย่างครับ อันเดียว
จีบ5 บาท
This is a Thai favorite. It's a squid, but
แค่
it's
ปลาเด้อถ้าถึงปลาน้ำเด้อ
ปลาหมึก
ครับ
ปลาหมึกปิ้ง
ครับผมก็มึกปิ้งปลายุนรูปรอปลายุนรูปรอ
That look pretty good.
Not anymore.
Here we go, hotel style food. From the market. Perfect size. Is that like a wasabi?
No, that's
Okay, here we go. This is kind of an imitation crab with carrot, lettuce, and cucumber. She said, this is spicy. I said, okay, that's what I want. Hello. อร่อยไหม
อร่อยไหมเชิญเลยแค่อีจะเลย
Red Solo cup. Now this is khao ji. I made it, I don't know how many times in my videos, but these are a lot smaller than what they cook at home. Still pretty good. It's not fresh, so it's a little rubbery, but the flavor's good. We got a dipping sauce for the pork neck, which is called kamuyang, which is a grilled pork neck. I think I might spill that. Okay, I can do it. There we go.
Hey, you good?
Grilled pork neck. A Penang curry, and it's pork. Penang mu. Penang mu. Spicy. Very spicy. And like I said, you can never go wrong with fried chicken in Thailand. It's never done me wrong yet. Seaweed wrap. This is really good. All right, guys, we're gonna end the video. We're gonna have to save some of this for a pool snack tomorrow, I think. Anyway, we're gonna finish it off with our Thai/Japanese style dessert, chung gao. It's fresh strawberries. Is that fresh blueberry? Look like it, huh? It's very good. Oh, another random market in one of the Isan towns in Thailand. I hope you guys get here soon. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.